I gave you my heart.
Hello everyone. You know how important dreams are. Dreams have no limits as they are the world of our own. Let's not chase dreams. Let's catch them up. And to catch them, I have to make a dream catcher. So in today's video, I am going to unbox a dream catcher kit and make it. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go! So here we have the dream catcher kit from Asian Hobby Crafts. It has the following materials and the instructions are given at the back. Now let's see what is inside by unpacking this wrapper. Let's cut the outer polythene and tear off the rest of it. Wow! So beautiful! This is 2 mm thick thread. These are some beads. Then we have 4 mm thick thread, some steel rings. There are 3 steel rings here. And a whole packet full of colorful feathers. See these beautiful beads. Now let's get prepared by coiling these threads into balls. See these wonderful beads dripping like rain. Wow, they are so colorful. Dreamcatcher have a round shape which represents the Earth's physical shape. Now let's wrap the thick thread around the steel ring. Tie a double knot. And start coiling it around. Make sure to not leave any gaps. Now cover up the whole ring in the same process just like this. Now it's time to make the web. Use the thin thread to do this. You can add some beads if you like. Now complete it by weaving the inner net in the same way. Add a bead in the center just as an embellishment. Do you know this web catches terrible dreams during the night time and discharges them during the day. Now let's add some magic by making the feathery strings. Tie a knot at the bottom of a string and insert a bead into it. Do this 3 times in a big string to get something like this. Then add the feathers to the hole in your bead. Doesn't it look pretty now? Feathers act as ladders. They descend good dreams on us when we sleep. Now add feathers to all of these beads and then make a few more. And finally, we are done up with this supercalifragilisticexpialidocious dream catcher. Dream catchers are a Native American tradition and have been around for generations. I was reading this amazing book. This holds the legend behind the dream catcher. Are you excited to know about it too? The legend focuses on Asmikashi, the spider woman. She was the protector of the Ojibwe people's children. Slowly and gradually, the Ojibwe people out from the land. Now the Spider Woman found it very difficult to protect the children who are far away. So she created dream catchers to protect the children from terrible dreams and give them good dreams. So finally, I would like to say, dreams are bigger than stars, deeper than the sea, and higher than the mountains. And I wish you all that all your dreams come true. And lastly, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel Miss Trailblazer for more fun, exciting and learning content. Bye and stay tuned for more of our videos.